How to fix Instagram not selecting more than 10 photos. Let's get started. With that, first of all, keep in mind that Instagram allows up to 10 photos or videos per post. So if you're trying to add more than 10, it won't work. After that, open up your App Store. In the search bar, you can simply search for Instagram. Once you search for it, you want to go ahead and simply open it up and simply update it. Update often fixes bugs like this. After that, head back and close Instagram app completely and then reopen it. After that, try selecting your photos again. If it's still not working, you can simply long press on Instagram, tap on remove app, tap on delete tab, then tap on delete again. Once deleted, you can reinstall the app from App Store. After that, you can simply try selecting a different image or video. Sometimes the issue is with a specific file. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.